This protocol enables the deposition of a smooth single layer of silver chloride with designated coverage on thin film silver electrodes. This is the first time a technique that can precisely control the coverage of single layer silver chloride on thin film silver electrode is introduced.
To begin, flush the chip using isopropanol, followed by DI water. Pour 0.01 molar hydrochloric acid solution into the acrylic container. Using laboratory clean wipes, wipe dry the macro silver-silver chloride reference electrode's pipette exterior and electrode. Connect the chip and the macro electrodes to the analyzer, such that a thin film silver electrode on the chip is defined as the working electrode. The macro silver-silver chloride reference electrode is defined as the reference electrode, and the bare macro silver-silver chloride electrode is defined as the counter electrode. Place the macro electrodes into the container. Use blue tack as the lid of the container to anchor the macro electrodes. Place the setup into a Faraday cage. In the CHI 660D software, click on the Setup tab in the top left corner of the window. Then click Technique, Amperometric IT Curve, and OK to perform cathodic cleaning of the electrodes. In the pop-up menu, modify the parameters for cathodic cleaning. Set the initial voltage as -1.5, the sample interval